how you can log in into your Remotasks account. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let us begin. First things first, open up a web browser and search for Remotasks. Any web browser is fine, I'm just using Google. So after you search for Remotasks in your web browser, you will see different options right here. You can just go to the login right here. You can click on this login option too, or you can go to Remotasks official site first. So wait for it to load, and while it loads, you can see that there are two options right here. One is to log in and one is to sign up. Now, if you don't have an account, just tap on sign up and create an account before you log in. Now, after you log in, tap on login. This page should open up. Now it's the same. So just type in your email address right here. And after you type in your email address, just type in your password and tap on login to log in into your Remotasks. Now, there are other options to log in to. First is you can continue with your Facebook if you did that before you created the account, and you can log in with your Google too. So it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you log in into your Remotasks account. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.